Premium leash installation. To install your new leash, you need to remove the current temple pads. Simply push on the pads and pull out. Keep original temple pads for future use. Start at the outside of the temple arm and line up the pad in the same direction as the opening. Slide the leash pad into the tip of the temple first, then push the remaining pad into place. To remove your leash, push the pad outward and remove, and reinstall your original temple pads in the same direction as you did when you installed your premium leash.